In the next few episodes of my technical analysis series, I'm going to be going through chart patterns, and in this video I'm going to be starting by going through bull flags and bear flags. If you found the content useful on my channel so far, please like and subscribe. So here on this chart of the S&P 500, I've put a picture of a flag. You might be thinking, what's the relevance of this? With every flag, you've got a flagpole, and then you've got the flag itself. This is important to know because a common pattern that you'll come across in technical analysis is something called a bull flag. What is a bull flag? A bull flag is essentially when you get an impulsive move up, you get some sort of consolidation like this. So price goes into this range here, and that looks exactly like a flag. If I label this, you've got your impulsive move. Excuse my spelling. And then you've got the flag formation. And then the idea is you then get another move up, which is the same distance as this impulsive move here. You get that same distance from the bottom to the top here. Sometimes you can predict price action in that sense. Just a few things to be aware of when it comes to a bull flag. A bull flag is only valid if, number one, the angle of the flag is between 90 degrees to 45 degrees downwards. And I'll show you examples of what I mean by this when I get onto it. Similarly, with a bull flag, you've got something called a bear flag, which is essentially a flag, but just upside down, like that. So a bull flag would look something like this, where you've got the impulsive move down, you've got the flag formation, and then you've got the price action after. And again, with the angles for this, it has to be 90 degrees to 45 degrees. Anything outside of that is not technically a bull flag or a bear flag. More illustrated examples. So if I scroll down here, I've showed you what a bull flag is. So you've got the impulsive move, you've got the consolidation, and then you've got the move up. And similarly with the bear flag as well, you've got the impulsive move, consolidation, and then you've got the move down. Now, this one here, the reason I've put it here is to show you, you've got this move up. However, as you can see, if you look at this angle over here, that is greater than 90 degrees. So technically, this is not a bull flag. And similarly, when it comes to the bear flag as well, if you look at this angle, it's greater than 90 degrees. So technically speaking, that is not a bear flag. If I continue moving down, you've got another angle here, and that is less than 45 degrees. So technically speaking, that is not a bull flag. And this one here, again, is less than 45 degrees. So technically speaking, this is not a bear flag. Now I'm going to show you some examples. This is the Nikkei index, one of Tokyo's ETFs, and you can see there was an impulsive move up over here. And then after that, it's formed an area of consolidation. So if I used a parallel channel just to show you that, so about here, so you can see it went up and then it consolidated in this area. If I just bring that closer, you can see what happened after that now. So essentially price broke out and it confirmed the bull flag. And you can say here it's forming another bull flag, and then that bull flag played out. Another example I want to give, which hasn't played out yet, however, is something that I am looking at, is the chart of Bitcoin. It's not played out yet, but if you look over here, it's had an impulsive move up, and then I could make potentially a parallel channel like this. So Bitcoin is currently broken out of this channel. We've not yet had full confirmation. However, once it does, in terms of price, if it was to repeat the flagpole, then you'd be looking at around this region here, so about the 83, 85k range. So that's something that I'm watching. Whether it will happen or not, we'll have to wait and see. Another stock I want to talk about is Tesla. This is an example of a bear flag. So you had the impulsive move down, and then you've had a flag forming over here. So you would expect, based on that, the price to go down from here. So let's see what happened. And that's exactly what happened pretty much after. So the price did go down. And another example of a bear flag that's not formed yet, but something that I am looking at, is the chart of Ethereum. So you could see there was an impulsive move down. And then here you could see it's forming a flag. So this is more like a pennant rather than a flag itself, but this also still counts. So I would expect the price to possibly break down and do something like that. Of course, with this one, because it's not played out yet, it's just something that we have to wait and see. However, if this does play out, then, price, it would be going down. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and share this with others.